Hey, what's up? This is Reed. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to pack up your smart home and move? Well, that's exactly what I'm going through right now. That's right, we're selling our current house because we're building another home in Arizona. And as we do this, I wanted to share a few thoughts on what it's like to pack up your smart home, because really it's not that bad. Plus, I wanted to share what you can expect from this channel's Smart Home Solver over the next little while. One thing I always kind of dreaded was moving my smart home. Like, what would I leave with the house? What would I bring? Well, I ended up taking down most of what I had up, including all of my smart light switches, which was way easier than installing them. Fitting a regular light switch in a box is a piece of cake compared to the chunky smart light switches. I removed all of the sensors and labeled everything as I was taking it down. That way, when it comes time to setting it back up, I know exactly what it is. I left up some smart devices like a thermostat, door lock, and a few others. The new homeowner could still use them without setting them up if they didn't want to. You could take down every smart device, but I think leaving up a few could actually help sell the house. However, things like smart light switches might not be worth leaving, since the buyer might not care about them or want them, so it's probably best to just bring them. Overall, it took me about a day to take everything down and organize it, which actually isn't too bad, and I thought it would take me much longer. Not having sensors and smart light switches up has been very interesting though. I basically stumble around in the dark now, and even my family misses some of it. Often in the comments, people say I've gone overboard with home automations, and there's probably some truth to it, but now that I've taken most of it down, I would way rather have the automations than not. There's just things in my home I don't do now. My front porch light never gets turned on. Same with the light strips under my kitchen cabinets. I love these lights, but I just forget to turn them on. So personally, I would way rather buy a motion sensor and spend a few minutes setting up an automation to have it always work. Do I miss everything? Well, there are some things I would do differently in my next house, and I'm really excited to share with you what those things are in the near future. Okay, so why are we moving anyways, and what does this mean for the channel? We love our current house and we've been very happy here. Our new home will just provide more opportunities for content that we have not been able to make yet. I think it will help us make videos more frequently. I'm really excited for this change, and I think it will be a big improvement all around. Our home should be done in the spring, but after we sell our house, we'll be in an apartment for a few months while it wraps up. There will be some transition during the move, but I still have a lot of good videos planned. There's just some things I'll have to put on hold until I can get everything set back up again. And I hope that you can be patient with me and know that I'm doing my best with the limited resources I have available. Alright, this video has been kind of short because it's been more of an update, but thank you so much for all of your support. You guys are some of the best people I know with all of your nice emails and comments, and I feel like we're figuring out this smart home space together. I'm really excited for the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.
Help!
Whoa, what?
I opened the door and the light didn't turn on.
Oh, you just used the light switch now.
Where is it?
What have I done?